Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character píng. Step by step, I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 平 flat, to tie, peaceful, for example, 平日 ordinary day, every day, now check this sentence. You're busy. Is this an ordinary day for you? 你真忙，平日也都是这样吗？ You're busy. Is this an ordinary day for you? You are busy. 平日也都是这样吗？是这样吗？ You're busy. 你真忙。平日也都是这样吗？ You're busy. Is this an ordinary day for you? 你真忙，平日也都是这样吗？平 in cursive. Píng flat, to tie, peaceful. 平日 ordinary day, every day. You're busy. Is this an ordinary day for you? 你真忙，平日也都是这样吗？平 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 平. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.